Greetings audience. So today I will present our new project URJAVAHINI. It is a fault detector app that will detect the fault in a low transmission line and also detect the distance of the fault from the software. So here is our website. Next up is our dashboard. So here is a randomized data, but we have taken from sources that are Kaggle, and this is the data that we have taken. In this data there was all the three phases A, B, C and a ground phase, and there was current and voltage of them, but we needed the distance of the fault from it, so we have taken data from data mainly, and here is the position of the fault. So our model works with the help of deep learning model, that is feed forward neural network. We have trained it in a data set uh, that I have already shown. So now if we look for the how and why it is giving randomly fault, no fault. So it is due to I have generated a custom live generate function. This is in the backend in the render website, but here is the overall view. So I have taken all these numbers from the data given, and I have also generated an Excel sheet. So here you can see all the fault. If there is fault it gives distance, if there is no fault it doesn't gives any distance. So here is our simple project, and we are looking forward to integrate decision tree and random forest in it, because according to some researches it has shown some results on par with this feed forward neural network and deep learning, and we will be working upon it. So for about page, if this is my team, I am Ayush Patel. I did backend and research. My friend Shubham did front end and backend work, helped me. Kanak helped with the designing, and Aditya Jain helped me with the research. Now Kanak Sharma helped with the research, and Harshita Agarwal is the overall manager of this project. Thank you. Looking forward to continue with this and presenting it. Thanks.